going down, drop very fast because of that.
Provide us free service on the financial system. We have one station in the library and the other one maybe in the professor computer rooms. And also finally, I would like to alumni here to organize this event. Okay, thank you very much.
น้องๆครับเชิญนั่งเลยครับเราลงระบบไว้เครื่องนะครับอันแรกจะเป็นข่าวธุรกิจหรือข่าวการเงินอันที่2จะเป็นระบบ real time platform นะครับทีนี้ที่เราติดตั้งให้ในคณะไว้เนี่ยเราจะลงไว้ในเว็บไซต์ซึ่งเราให้ user เนี่ยทุกคนสามารถเช็คได้ที่ห้องสมุดจะสามารถดูข้อมูลไปเร็วนิดนึงนะครับแล้วก็อีกส่วนหนึ่งจะเป็นส่วนของ real time trading platform ซึ่งเดี๋ยวจะอธิบายต่อไปนะฮะจริงๆถ้าดูที่หน้าจอจะเห็นว่ามันเป็นกราฟอยู่นะครับตัวนี้จะเป็นส่วนที่เราออนไลน์มาจากข้อมูลต่างประเทศนั้นๆ financial advisor for many firms from Hong Kong.
Now I would like to introduce Mr. Wen, editor of Millennium Danatama Group, and he also has the experience around 25 years in financial firm. Now he will tell you about the commentary about the local and global market. Please, Mr. Lee.
Thank you. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I'm glad to be here today to share my experience with all of you. And first of all, I would like to emphasize, and I'm going to introduce 3 topics today because the time is very short. And first, we're discuss about the oil price. And second is what more interesting thing is about the gold market. And third thing is about the global market, especially equity market, stock market around the world. And at the moment, every one of you, when you see in the past 1 year, you can see the oil price, you can testing new high, especially in this month. It happened to test just last week, testing the new high is $78. And this one is the new high. And in the past record, you can see in the starting from 1990 in 1997, 98, when the time is the first time the oil crisis happened in Middle East. And people, there's oil shortage. And left the supply from oil producing country, from the Arabian in Middle East. At that time, the price is quite low compared to today. It's around, you can see the price around $20, $30, and the price in US dollar. And the price starting before is around $10. You can see the price, and before this chart, is the oil price around $20 something, and then go up to $30. By that time, it's very high. And because the Middle East, Iran and the Middle East, have the war, and they're blocking the oil supply channel to Western country. And I believe some of maybe the professor, you have got experience before, maybe the student, you are not still young. You don't know what happened at that time. And related the oil, because oil shortage affecting the Western country, especially the oil consumption country, for most development country like the Japan, United European country, in North America, and some affect also from the Asia market. So at that time, I remember, and oil, the price go up, the shortage, the oil producing country, they received it because of political reason, and the oil price going up, and they cannot stop immediately because that's why affecting the gold market. And because at that time all the UN and they have a conference, but they cannot solve the problem, cannot immediately. So that's why the Arabian country, oil producing country, receiving oil in US dollar. At that time, and in 1970, 78, that time the people in the world, they only two things they believe in trust, in value, is for settlement in US dollar, on the other hand is in gold. So at one time, they proposed to the for the union in American, they want to propose to not for the settlement use that by that time is in US or in US dollar currency, but they proposed to use the currency basket. That means for 1 barrel of oil, they will settle not only in US dollar, they will split in 5 currencies like the Japanese yen, pound sterling, Deutsche Mark, and Swiss franc. So because they want to make the oil price, the dollar, and going down in the first place. But after that, because the oil producing country receiving all settlement in US dollar, huge amount of dollar, right? Very rich. So what to do? But after all, they find out if we propose